Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the brand new ROKFORM Beyond Protection iPhone 14 Pro Max crystal case. This is military grade drop protection enabled. It has magnetic surface mounting, as you can see here with this ring, so it's MagSafe compatible. Has a twist locked optional accessories, and the twist lock is right here. We'll show you that also. And like I said, it's MagSafe compatible with this ring. So here's the outside of the iPhone 14 Pro Max case. There's the bottom area, so it has impact protection, corner protection, side impact protection, and again corner protection on the top. Every corner, even the buttons have a cover protection right here, the mute switch right there, and then on the inside you have this nice, it's for keeping the phone safe on the bottom, and then you can see on the inside it's got protection on all the corners, all the sides. The camera cluster as well has protection there. And it's thick, but it's not super thick, which I like. And then here's the plug. It's installed here. You can do optional accessories right there. And this just goes in here and then snaps into place. But then you have the MagSafe ring right here. And this is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now we'll show you some further details in here on the box. You can pause this anytime and take a read. A lot of these details will be in the description below. But this case is available now. So a lot of what these are over here is referencing these points on the case. And then some more information on the back. And then we'll give you one quick once over again with the case. There we go. So they have mounts for motorcycles, bikes, inside of cars, and for golf as well. Inside of cars and for bikes they have MagSafe, and they also have a wireless charging unit that plugs in, but the MagSafe is the best. So here's one more quick look of the full case. All the sides, the bottom, the port is available, all the speaker, microphones available. There's a lanyard spot here as well. Then you have that plug, and then of course the round MagSafe magnet right there. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.